Another helpful online tool is our alerts. And I have these set up, and I know my children do as well. You can set these up for any number of things on your account. For instance, you can set up a text message to be sent to your phone when your account balance dips below a certain amount. This can also help you from making purchases that may overdraft your account. To do this, you would go to the settings on the left-hand side underneath alerts.
Are there any other features on online banking we should know about?
Yes, there is so much more to our online banking than just checking your balance. We do offer funds transfer underneath transactions that will let you transfer funds between your accounts online at no cost. We actually also offer People Pay. That is a great feature to send money to your friends. You would just log into your internet banking underneath our transaction tab, click on People Pay. You can send money to me, your daughter, your son, anyone. Simply, as I said, go to the transactions and you can begin using People Pay. Our bill pay system is great because it saves you from writing checks and buying stamps. Once your bill pay is set up, you would just go to the transaction tab again, click on the bill payment. You would have to set up your payees. However, if you do need any help with that, any questions at all, again, we'd be happy to help you set that up. And there is a mobile deposit option that we also have. It is a great service that will allow you to take a photograph of your check through your smartphone and deposit it into your account. You have 10 checks that you are able to deposit at no cost per month. After 10, there is a small fee.